90% of people fail this simple math problem. They see a minus sign, a power, and a bracket, and they just start from left to right, just like reading a book. That is the ultimate trap. If you don't follow the secret order, your answer will be wrong every single time. Do you know the order? Let us find out. Take a look. Try it in your head. Is the answer 9? Is it 15? Stay with me and I will show you why only one answer is correct. To solve this, we use a map. In some countries, it is called BODMAS. In others, it's called PEMDAS. They mean the exact same thing. Now, B or P, that is brackets or parentheses first. O and the E, that is orders or powers or exponents next. Now, division. Okay, division and multiplication. Then for this, we go from left to right. Okay, the same goes to addition and subtraction, left to right. Okay, just like reading a book. Now, step 1. Look for brackets. We have 5 minus 2. What is 5 minus 2? It is 3. Now, step 2, the power. Look for power. We have 2 squared. That means 2 times 2. Okay? And 2 times 2 is 4. Now wait, look at this. We 3, that is 3 times 3. Okay, we must multiply before we add or subtract. Okay, 3 times 3, and 3 times 3 is 9. Now, negative and positive, they have the same right. They have the same priority. We move from left to right. 10 minus 4 and 10 minus 4 is 6. Then 6 plus 9 gives us 15. Now, 6 plus 9 gives us 15. That 15 is the correct answer. Most people do this. They see 10 minus 4 plus 9 and they add the 4 and 9. Because according to BODMAS, they say A comes before subtraction. Sorry, addition comes before subtraction. And that is not correct. Whenever you see negative and positive, we move from left to right. Just like reading a book. Then they add 4 plus 9 first to get 13. Then they do 10 minus 13 and get minus 3, which is wrong. Addition and subtraction are partners. You must go from left to right, just like reading a book. Okay. Remember the order: bracket, orders, division or multiplication, then addition or subtraction. Never skip a step and never just go left to right if there are brackets or powers involved. Master this and you will never fail a math trap again. Great job. See you in the next lesson.